Hey guys, Shaka from Bushwakka here. Today I'll just show you how to close the Meg Awning. We've been asked a lot on how to close them, so I'll just show you how step for step to close this big massive awning. You'll notice that this hinge here is smaller than that side, so the back end always goes in first. Just go around here, undo your ratchet. It is easier with a ladder. Pop that out. I use the guy rope as a walk around tool. Just gonna pop this leg back up as well. Now this is the most important bit, is if you can come here quickly. When you get to this arm here that goes straight there, you take the piece of canvas and you throw it up in the air and all the arms goes underneath. Like that. And all you do is you go to the other side. Walk it around. Once you get to both, you just push them both in at the same time, like that. Now it is recommended that you use a ladder, otherwise I am vertically challenged. Just grab a ladder. So I'll take this bit here, fold it up in half, and then I start rolling this whole canvas towards the corner. That bit there is your spreader beam, so you have to take the whole canvas and push everything up. And get your straps. Try and get your canvas as tight as possible. Roll this corner up that way. Again, once you get to here, there's actually a gap there that you take this piece of canvas and you throw it over the top, and it actually tucks in there. Like that. And you take this piece, throw it up. And that's it, all wrapped up in the canvas wrapped up. When you open up your awning, it's also good to remember to fold your bag around like that, just to make sure that the arm doesn't pinch the bag and damages it. Closing it up should be nice and easy. Flip that side around. And that's it. This is Bushwakka. Thanks.